Make sure to check out my channel for more videos just like this. What's going on, people? It's your boy Mrbucketlist, and here we are today doing the Dine with Killer Whales at Seaworld Orlando. Now I have one tip. There is no need to arrive early. Your seats are reserved. When you get there, you get there.
Welcome everyone to our Dine with Killer Whales program. And today we'll get...
Now let's check out the food. Now on to the main show.
Across the seat here while spinning and go straight back down. So there's a lot of she's bringing it straight up. The line touched it and went straight back down. That's what she's looking for. All of our hearts. Two, three, spin a circle, spin, 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 spin. Dina, yeah! Good job! Alright, do we want to do one more?
Tip: if you sit near the glass, this may happen.
Urine sample. We know all the different personalities. That's important for us. So we're going to learn what they like, some other things that they don't like. They're just like us, that they have different personalities. And Melania and Aaliyah, they really enjoy buckets of ice. For whatever reason, they like that. Katia, not so much. She'll spit it right back at you and say, don't do that again. You know, so it's all dependent on the animal and the relationship that we go. Now, we might just have some of our trainers playing around and splashing. It looks like Morgan's thinking is what. Well, are you good for vocals? Do it. Vocals, cool. So this is one of the reason why I say Tina's pretty awesome. She's about 43 years old. She's had 7 calves. 7 calves, guys. Now the reason it's so important is...
Now on to the list of pros and cons. And here's the cons. As far as my rating, this is definitely a must-do. Thanks for watching the video. Here's some of the future reviews I'm going to be doing on the channel. And make sure to hit that subscribe button. Until then, I'll see you all next time. Peace out. I know, it's been amazing.